get rid of the fraction, or the fractions. So what's a common number that I can multiply everything by where I get rid of the 6 and the 3? 6. So basically I have to do, everything has to get multiplied by 6. Here, there, and the 72. Don't forget the 72, that seems like what happens most of the time. So if I have 5q squared, what am I going to have here? What am I going to have in my second one? Or q. And then 72 and 6, 432. What do I need to do on the left side? Combine them. So I'm going to be at 3q squared equals 432. Now what? Divide by 3. Is it? Well, there you go. Only thing you have left is squared, so you got to square root it. Great, that one's in my list. Q is equal to
12.
Plus or minus? What number? Huh? What? Okay. Anything from 60 to 67? Yeah. 67. What do you got to get rid of first? What do you got to do first? Yeah. So if you square root it, so what are you going to be left with on the left side? 2r minus 5. What are you going to be left with over here? Plus or minus 9. Okay. So what do we got to do next? Add 5. So I'm at 2r equals 5 plus or minus 9. Now you can do this one again. Just like everything else, you can do it a couple different ways. You can go ahead and set up your two different answers, and you can have 5 plus 9 is equal to 2r, and then you can do 5 minus 9 is equal to 2r, and just have your 2 from there. Okay? So you can basically have 2r equals 14, and, or 4, I guess, either way. 2r is equal to negative 4. Yeah. If it's a whole number and a whole number. If you don't have a radical, then go ahead and add them and subtract. But if you have a radical, then you can't do anything with it. Just leave it as is. So then my two options are going to be 7 and negative 2. Now, what you could do, you could still divide by 2 and have r equals 5 plus 9 divided by 2. You're really going to have to do the same thing. Again, since you have whole numbers up on top, okay, you have easy numbers to work with, you still are going to have 14 divided by 2, or r is equal to negative 4 divided by 2. Either way, you can. I think honestly, it's probably easier for most students to go ahead and make get the 14 and the negative 4, and then divide it. It just seems like that works better. To be honest. Good. Questions? Anything else that you're not sure about? All right. Complex numbers.